Hi, this is Jerome Joseph, the brand guy, and I'm going to share a quick tip with you for 2019. One of the most powerful tactics for brands in 2019 is going to be video marketing. Let me share with you some data. 70% of customers say that they have shared a brand's video. 72% of businesses say that video has improved their conversion rate. 52% of consumers say that watching videos makes them more confident in their online purchase decision. And 65% of executives visit a website or call a vendor after viewing a video. And don't think it's just YouTube, because today you can put video in across all your channels. You could do it through a live broadcast on Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use LinkedIn. Video is increasingly gaining popularity for branding, and a large number of businesses are using it for many aspects of growing their brand. So I want you to start thinking about how you can grow your brand in 2019 through the use of video marketing. And I'm going to give you something else, because today when you talk about SEO, the video SEO is becoming more and more crucial, because with things such as your text overlays and your captions, you are ranking a lot higher on your SEO. So for 2019, start working on building your world-class brand by using video marketing as a powerful branding technique. My name is Jerome Joseph, and I'm committed to helping you create your world-class brand.